Documentary channels are one of the most lucrative channels on YouTube, and if you want to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2025, this is the perfect niche. Most videos on YouTube fall into one of two categories. They are either trend-based or search-based. If a video is targeted at a trend, it can go viral easily, as you can see from this video chart, but after a few weeks or so, it will stop getting views. In contrast, when a video is targeted at search traffic, it will get little to no views in the first few months, but may get a lot of views down the line. Documentary videos, on the other hand, are one of the few niches that can go viral as soon as you upload them, and at the same time, bring in views for months and even years to come. This makes them evergreen and perfect for anyone looking to build a successful business. Take a look at the chart of this video. You can see that it went viral as soon as it was uploaded. And even though it was uploaded over a year ago, it still pulls in around 200 views per hour. So in this video, I will show you how to create a similar channel, write the script in seconds, create the video and voiceover in a few minutes, and how to generate the thumbnail at the click of a button. To get started, I separated faceless documentary channels into three broad categories. First of all, we have the mini-movies. These are usually related to business and finance. Examples of these channels are Fliki AI, Big Company, and Magnates Media. Some of them upload as low as one video in 6 months, but still manage to pull in millions of views every month, thereby making tens of thousands of dollars. This is because it's an evergreen niche, which I've also worked on, and I can tell you that it is not beginner-friendly at all. It takes time to create and edit the videos, and months of research goes into each of the videos. So if you don't have a team behind you and you are not ready to burn a lot of cash, your chance to succeed here is very slim. For the second category, we have the history documentary. The videos here are also evergreen and can go viral from the onset. This one is beginner-friendly, which means anyone can do it, and most of the work can be done using AI. Take a look at this channel. You will see that they've only uploaded 9 videos and have gained over 15 million views. If you check their videos, you will notice that they use a mix of stock footage with AI photos and videos. Now the issue is that they prefer to make long videos which can be up to 4 hours. This means you need more time to create them, and that may become overwhelming for beginners. However, there are other channels that create shorter videos and get even more views than this. One that comes to mind is Captivating History. Their videos average around 12 minutes, which means they can upload more videos and get millions of views every month. Social Blade estimates that they make over $5,000 per month. But these guys also sell ebooks about the videos they create, which means they make more money than that. If you check their videos, you will see that it is also a mix of AI photos and videos, with stock videos that's relevant to the scenes. Now there are many ways to do this, but the optimal method is to use the power of AI, following the steps I'm about to show you. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel with a related name. If you are watching this video, you probably have a Gmail account. So create a new channel from your YouTube homepage on the upper right corner. Ask ChatGPT to give you catchy names you can use for your channel with this prompt, and click on Enter. You will get many relevant names, so simply choose the one you like. Let's go for History Vault here, and then we need to get some design. Step 2. Create a logo and a banner. Go to Canva and create a new design. Search for logo and click on the first result. Search for the word History on the Design tab and click on Enter. You will see many templates to use, so click on one of them to show on the canvas. Replace the text to your channel name, which is History Vault in this demo. Create another design and search for YouTube banner. Click on the first result and search for History on the Design tab as before. Choose one of the results and modify it. Let's go to the logo we just created and copy the icons. Delete the icons on the banner and paste your logo icon with Ctrl+V. Enlarge the icons and replace the text with your channel name. You should also change the text under it to match your channel overall theme. Don't overthink this process though, as you can always change your designs later. Then, download the designs at the top and upload it to your channel. Step 3. Brainstorm video ideas for the channel. There are different ways to find video ideas for this niche, and one of them is to go to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. I ask for 50 topics here, but you can request for more. Next, you want to look at the result and copy the ideas that appeal to a wide audience. The first one is about Great Pyramids, which is a popular topic, so I will copy it. Then I will continue to copy other ones like the Roman Empire topic and so on. Now that we have 18 topics from ChatGPT, we can also go for topics that are proven to work on YouTube. To do this, make sure to have the Vidiq extension installed on your browser. I will drop the link below this video for you to download it for free. Go to a competitor channel like this one and click on the 3 dots to view the trending videos. Here you will see videos that are currently bringing in views for the channel, no matter how old they are. So copy the titles that are getting around 50 views or more per hour. For a topic like this, which explains the Roman Empire in 12 minutes, you can reuse it for other empires like the Ottoman Empire and others. The thing about YouTube is that if a format works, it is likely going to work again if you repurpose it. In fact, this will be the next method we will use to find more video ideas. Go to the channel once again and hover your mouse on a video like this. This will show you an icon called Remix. It is powered by Vidiq, and it's very useful for coming up with good ideas for your channel. Click on it, and if you are using it for the first time, you should click on Preferences. This is where you will add keywords to generate ideas related to your channel. I will add history and add other related terms from the suggestions it gave me. Click on Save when you are done, and you should now get relevant video ideas to the topic. This video is on a brief history of Ireland, so if you click on it to remix it, you will see options like a brief history of the Roman Empire, a brief history of the British monarchy, and so on. So I will copy some of them and paste them on the Google Sheet. Then you can keep doing this for other videos. In addition, you can also go to popular channels like Magnates Media, which have great topics, and click on Vidiq Remix on the videos. This will give you more ideas you can add to your list. You can keep doing this on other channels, and it also works on the YouTube homepage. So, if you see a viral video on your home feed, you can remix it to see how it can work for your channel. Step 4. Script writing. I have a prompt here that will give you a good script for any history topic. You will need to insert your topic here in the first bracket, and set the duration you want in the other bracket like 10 minutes or more. I will drop this prompt in the description below, as well as other prompts used in this video. So copy the prompt like this, and paste it on ChatGPT. Then let's choose a topic from the Google Sheet like this one about the history of money, and copy it. Then go back to paste it in the bracket. For the duration, we can leave it at 10 minutes, so I will clear the other phrases, and press Enter. In a few seconds, you will get an engaging script like this with a good intro. I will copy it and paste it in a Google Doc for future reference. Then we can move on to the next step. Step 5. Create the video and voiceover. You can use a mix of different AI tools to do this, which I will show you soon, but if you want to create your videos fast and easily, then you should use Fliki. I will drop the link below this video so you can sign up for it, and when you get on the home page, simply click on the script workflow. Paste the script in the box and click on Next. It will process the content and ask for your preference on this pop-up. Set the aspect ratio to landscape, then click on the AI media. Choose a model to generate the video from the drop-down, or select the default one, which is cinematic. You can add B-rolls and sound effects from the More section if you like, then click on Submit. You just need to wait for a few minutes and the video will be created. Now it gave us a scene for the title, but we don't need it, so I will delete it. Then you can click on the voiceover to choose a voice. There are a lot of voices you can choose from in different dialects, which you can try out on your own. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go for Gavin, which is a popular voice on YouTube. Check this box to apply the voice on all scenes, then click on Select. Next, move the caption down to the bottom on the screen. Then on the right, set the background to transparent, which will remove the color, and click on the text color to change it to white, which looks better for the video. Then apply this effect to all the scenes. Now let's play the intro and see how accurate the video clips are.
Imagine a world where money doesn't exist. You need bread to feed your family, so you take the extra fish you caught this morning and head to the village square. There, you haggle with the baker until you strike a deal. 2 fish for a loaf of bread.
You can see how accurate this is. The script talks about 2 fish for a loaf of bread, and that is exactly what they are holding. If you don't like the video clip for whatever reason, you can change it by clicking on the media. You will see the prompt used to generate the video clip. So if you want a new one, simply click on Generate. Then click again to generate the AI video clip, which may take a few seconds. Play the video to see how it looks. And if you are happy with the result, simply click on the red button to add it to the video. That being said, Fliki will give you accurate video most of the time, but this is just to show you how it generates the videos. To download the video, go to the upper right corner to export it as an MP4, and that should take a few seconds to complete. Now, if you don't use Fliki as shown, the alternative will be to create your voiceover with 11 Labs. If you are creating 10 or more videos per month, you will need to get the creator plan, which will cost you $22 per month. Then you will have to generate the video clips with tools like Leonardo AI, which will cost you up to $60 per month. After that, you will need to take the voiceover and the video clips you generate, then use CapCut to edit the footage together. While CapCut is free, you will need to learn how to use it properly and spend hours editing the video with the voiceover. However, if you use Fliki as shown, you just need to pay $88 per month, which is almost the same as the other option, but you will be doing this at a click of a button. If you decide to pay annually, you will get 25% off and get it at $66 per month. This will give you 10 hours of video generation, which is enough to create 60 10-minute videos. I will drop the link below for you to get started for free, and it will be the first link in the description below. Now we will play some part of the video, but don't go yet as I will show you how to generate the thumbnail at a click of a button.
Imagine a world where money doesn't exist. You need bread to feed your family, so you take the extra fish you caught this morning and head to the village square. There, you haggle with the baker until you strike a deal. 2 fish for a loaf of bread. It's a straightforward trade, simple and immediate. But what happens when the baker doesn't like fish? Or worse, what if your fish go bad before you find someone willing to trade? This isn't just a hypothetical problem. It's the real dilemma humanity faced for thousands of years. Long before the jangling of coins or the flick of a credit card, barter was the only system of exchange. It was raw and primal, yet painfully inefficient. Imagine trying to trade a cow for a handful of apples. How many apples is a cow even worth? And how would you carry them all home? This chaos forced humanity to innovate, and that's where our story begins. One of the earliest solutions came from Mesopotamia around 3000 BCE. The Sumerians, a brilliant and resourceful people, used a commodity everyone needed: grain. They stored it in vast temple granaries, and receipts were written on clay tablets to track who owed what. These clay tokens might seem unremarkable, but they were the ancestors of money as we know it. But with great innovation came great risk. One infamous example comes from 18th century France. A Scottish economist named John Law convinced the French government to issue paper money tied to the speculative value of Louisiana land. But when people realized the land was overvalued, panic set in. The system collapsed, leaving many destitute. In 2008, an anonymous figure known only as Satoshi Nakamoto released a white paper outlining Bitcoin. For some, it's the future of money, a system free from banks, borders, and inflation. For others, it's a volatile experiment, more akin to gambling than investing.
Step 6. Create the thumbnail. Go to ChatGPT and give it this prompt. Make sure to swap the topic with the video title you want to create a thumbnail for, and click on Enter. Copy the prompt it gave you and go to your Vidiq dashboard. On the left bar, click on Thumbnail, and you will be asked to describe what you would like to create. I will paste the prompt from ChatGPT and click on Create. This is amazing on the first try and followed the prompt I gave it. It also relates perfectly with the title and will work for the video we created. It also created other versions, as you can see, but the first one is the best one. I will download it, and this is how it will look on desktop when uploaded to YouTube. You can see that it stands out on the homepage and works well with the title. This is how it looks on tablets, which is also good, and this is how it looks on mobile. So you don't need to design the thumbnail from scratch, as you can create clickable thumbnails at a click of a button using Vidiq. It is one of the tools I use and recommend for growing on YouTube, and I will drop the link below with a great deal to try it out. The third category is the one I like to call the real documentary. This one involves using footage of real-life events and crafting your story behind them. Popular channels in this category are Courtroom and Courtroom Consequences. They take real footage from CCTV, public court hearings, police body cam, and so on, then create interesting videos with them. Other channels that do this are Into the Deep and True Crime Documentary. Editing this style of videos is much easier than the first category, but you will be using copyright materials in your videos. This is a gray area, and there's a lot to learn before choosing this category. So, I will leave a video below from one of the owners of these channels explaining how they avoid copyright when creating these videos. To wrap up, you've seen how to create long videos, but what about YouTube Shorts? They are also a goldmine if you know how to create them fast using AI tools. So click on this video to learn how to do that. If you gain one or two things from this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Digital Scholar. Drop your comment below, and thank you for watching.